Sabihin mo uli, sabihin niya uli yan. Kasi bitawan ko, sabihin mo. Sabihin mo, sabi ni Duterte, you make that statement again publicly. And I will prove publicly na ikaw yung sa picture.
Mayor, anong
Mayor,
comment?
he was saying na it was an injustice to yung ginawa sa kanya.
Sino?
Si Pabilo.
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 And also, former Senator De Lima was saying na he's going to hold those who sent him hurt of jail accountable.
Oh, hindi yung naghahawak ng susi sa jail. Bakit mo tayo pagkaalaman? Bakit mo tayo matakot dyan? Hindi mo na ako naghawak ng susi dyan sa ano?
Tapos, Mayor, they're going to invite you and Senator De Lima sa one.
Oh, anytime. Dilema? Anytime.
Pero hindi mo namimiss si Senator De Lima, Mayor.
Well, as a human being, I would say that as much as possible, I just want to make peace with everybody. But if she starts to fuck everything, hindi kita atrasan.
Parang she just,
Wala naman akong pinikulan.
parang,
May kopya pa ako sa video eh.
parang she also wants to make peace. So, parang,
Well, that is another thing. Kaya sabihin, di ganito ka. Tanungin ko sa kanya, anong gusto mo? Siya yung may bagahe. Alam mo, hindi niya dapat ako. Alam mo kung bakit? Sige siya yaw-yaw sa akin. Hindi ako sasagot. Bitawan ko lang yung video ulit. Magpakopya ako.
Yun.
Pati sa Amerika, pabili ko doon sa retail na mga X-rated. Yung mag-rent,
hindi man daw ko kinuha.
hindi magtinood.
PI.
Tanawa ni Mayor.
Tanawa sa may Mayor. Kami mga
Gusto niya tignan uli. Sabihin mo uli, sabihin niya uli yan. Kasi bitawan ko, sabihin mo.
Pero Mayor,
Sabihin mo, sabi ni Duterte, you make that statement again publicly. And I will prove publicly na ikaw yung sa picture.
video.
Sorry.
Pati yung totoo.
Tanawa ni Mayor.
Ayun, nakapilo. May babae. Kami na malaki.
Comment ko sa pag-meeting ni VP Sara and former VP Leno Duterte.
Wala akong, hindi ako nakikialam dyan. Wala. Tsaka wala akong alam. In fairness. To me, to them. So I cannot comment.
Maiso pre-rally nakatabang sa administrasyon doon ay paano magdiktador. Tungod ilang gustong inindahan ang atong 1987 Constitution from presidential to parliamentary. So, bot pasabot nga gustong magdiktador sama siya nga mahal. Nakatabang ang Maiso pre-rally. Padayon pa pang Maiso pre-rally.
Well, this kind of government, form of government, parliamentary, and itong presidential type, yan ang differentiation yan eh. So, premier, which is elected by parliament, a president elected at large by the people. Alin dyan sa gusto ng Pilipino? Referendum or a plebiscite for as long as it is carried properly at walang mga terorismo o yung i-corrupt mo yung electorate. I will go along with the wishes of the people. I cannot be more than the Pope. Ang tao ba? Kung ano ang gusto ng tao. Ultimately, it is the people that will eventually decide. And what the people will decide and what the people would want. I want the military and everybody else magsunod sila kung anong gusto ng tao. If the sentiment is shown in a referendum and a plebiscite, I'm asking the military to obey the people. Yun yung amo ninyo eh. Yun yung amo natin.